Diversification is dumb. Diversifying your stock portfolio purely for the sake of doing it is a really good way to lose money. But I understand most people feel that they need to have a diversified portfolio because on the financial news shows, on television commercials, all over the internet, other than here, they've been told their whole lives that they need to diversify. And I used to feel the same way too when I was part of the herd. And then I found this out, that the people telling you to diversify either at best have no idea what they're talking about, or at worst, they're trying to hurt you. The people that themselves diversify, that instantly tells me that they have no idea what they're doing and they're guessing. Because think about it. If there are 10 different baskets for you to put your stocks in, and you put a little bit in each of those 10 baskets, you're almost guaranteeing yourself a 50% loss. It's ridiculous. Think about it. You have never once diversified any other part of your life, and you never will. The school that you went to, the person that you married, the things that you do every day, what you decide to have for dinner, regardless of what the decision is, you are always making what you believe is the very best decision for you. You are doing what you think is the right thing. And then somehow, all of a sudden, when it comes to investing, you just leave it up to, oh, I'll take a little of this and a little of this and a little of this. No, diversification is dumb. Be careful. Do you diversify, or do you specifically seek out stocks and funds and whatnot that you think can make the most money? Please let me know in the comments, like this video, and follow for more. The 10 largest US stocks right now account for a record 41% of the S&P 500 market cap. Amazing. This is according to Citadel Securities and is posted by the Kabasi letter. Way more than the 2000 dot-com bubble peak. Nearly 50 cents of every dollar invested in the S&P 500 right now is going into AI, artificial intelligence linked stocks. About 41 cents of every dollar directly flows into just 10 companies. About 35 cents of every dollar flows specifically into the Magnificent Seven, and even more narrowed than that, money is going into semiconductor stocks. If you would like me to invest your portfolio for you through times like these, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. On the S&P 500 at about 140 Eastern, up day so far, it has definitely fluctuated today. Again, in my opinion, we will need to break out and confirm about that prior high of about 7,517 to really head higher. If we can't head any higher than there, could get a pullback. The price of crude oil kind of all over the place, definitely higher earlier today. As of about the middle of the afternoon, down on the day, so that is good. I continue to say I think possibly the best trade, or one of them, in the next 5 or 6 months is short crude oil. Yields also higher for a lot of the day. Here's the US 10-year yield. The emotional herd getting faked out every time now for about 3 days in a row. I previously had purchased my favorite long maturity bond fund, which do really well when long maturity yields fall. You're welcome.